Hey guys, what's up? So today's the first time in Dynasty, and I know this is horrible quality, horrible quality, but I'm getting you better quality soon, so your eyes won't be so hurt by how bad it is. But I'm just gonna film a little Diamond Dynasty game for you guys, and there could possibly just one standard pack opening at the end. I know packs are trash, but let's see if we get anything. So, this is my team. I got all golds except for pitching. And you can't see that. So, we're gonna go on a head-to-head match. Let's get into it now, guys. So, my opponent's is home, and he's got a pretty good lineup. But he's got Max Scherzer on the mound. I don't know if that's rookie flashback silver. Wait, is that rookie flashback? I don't know. But he's got one gold, and that's it. And he has a bunch of silvers. And then his pitcher's either, we're playing at Fenway Park, and we're hitting first, and I got Bogarts. So he's pitching, and let's get into this. Come on, buddy, throw the pitch. Okay. We're gonna take the first pitch, and it's gonna be a ball. So we're gonna wait till he throws me a strike. This is probably gonna be a strike, and I was right. It doesn't show the overall of this picture. I was gonna check the overall. Okay, let's try this. Why did I swing at that, man? Not what we swing at. Oh, come on, man. Okay, so now my creative player's batting. He's a switch hitter. I have trouble seeing righty versus righty. Oh my god, why am I swinging at this trash? Oh, I'm trash at this game, guys. Oh my god, why am I swinging at trash? I am trash, guys. Oh, how did I miss that? How do you miss that? Bro. So we're gonna take. Kelly throws a strike. We need to start moving for strikes. I'm not swinging at garbage. Yeah, this guy takes a long time in between pitches to throw. There's a strike. Okay. Now we're gonna see if he throws us something. Oh, how do we miss that, boys? How? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I'm gonna strike out, I know it. Oh, so early on that slider. We got struck out the side. He just did that. So we got my ace pitching, but he hasn't done very good for me. Oh! Curveball down and in. How fast is this guy? He's got like 70 speed. I'll be okay with that. If his leadoff man has 80 speed or higher, that's frustrating. Because my guy only has 64 speed. My fastest guy in my lineup is Lorenzo Canada. This guy's a good player, but he doesn't have a good team. You gotta be kidding me, this stupid pitcher. Oh my god. This guy has like 100 to 15 vision. Jeez. Holy, this guy has good vision. He must be the world's best seeing man. Okay, we're just gonna give him a cookie because this guy does not throw strikes. Why can't you throw a strike? I hate this pitcher. Oh god, we're not using John Axford this game. Boy. Come on, hanging curveball. Oh, this guy does not chase anything. Get it. I was gonna make it. Oh, 77 speed. So close to 80. Okay, Aegon. Make him hit it on the ground. He's got 10 speed. No, 8 speed, I think. No, we're not letting him do that. He's got 8 speed. He's hitting it on the ground. Okay. Give him one that's low change up. Oh god. Oh. Okay. We hit Aegon. Oh my god, this guy sucks. This pitcher. Oh, you need to throw strikes, man. Oh god. Why? Oh crap. Oh, this pitcher sucks. Okay, we're gonna warm up Trevor Rosenthal and put in Addison Reed. I'm getting tired of that guy. I'm gonna take him out of my rotation. And in next, please. Okay, we do get him out at first, guys, but there another run scored. So please, Tula. There we go. Okay, 3 outs, but this guy scored 2 runs. So Lorenzo King's batting. And he's not very good against righties in this game, so we're gonna take a pitch. It's a ball. I wonder if this guy, what this guy's vision is, because he lays off everything that's bad and swings at everything that's good. Okay. Oh, I should have swung at that. Okay. Please. He's running with the bat. Ah. Alright. He hit hard. We finally got one in play this one. Ian does. Taking pitches. Take pitch. Okay. He threw a strike. Now we can swing at something we like. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, man. Wait, does this guy have any hits? No, he actually doesn't. So there's like... Okay, at least took a ball with 2 strikes. I don't do that very often. Ah. I wish that went past the pitcher. It would have been a hit. He's batting. Myers, okay. He's not hitting too good right now. 200. I'm hoping to get to like 270 or 280. Okay. Please, yes! There's one. I'm not stealing, guys. Even though he has 69 speed, that's not bad. I'm not stealing. If he pitches out, though, I'd laugh if he did. Oh, why did someone get the first pitch, man? Okay, at least we got a lefty. He dropped it, but he's. Why would you throw to second? The guy threw the second on that play. So come on, Ramos. You're doing good so far for me. Oh my god, he called that a ball. This guy's probably really frustrated right now. Okay. That's okay. That was below my knees. Oh crap, our pitcher's batting next. I'm gonna pinch hit for him. Do I? Yeah, this is a situation where I need to. So let's put in Danny Valencia. Okay, foul. Please, foul ball. Dang. No. Dang. Just wasted a good opportunity. Okay. Trevor Rosenthal. Okay, this guy's created players batting. Maybe he's created players like a diamond or a gold, but I doubt it. Hey, it's 44 versus 44. Oh god, that's hit him. Oh god. Come on, Trevor. He throws hard, as you see. Change up. Low. If this guy sees a change up, it's low. Oh my god, this guy is gonna. Oh, this guy's eye is gonna kill me. He has the most amazing eye in this game. Okay, it is flashback, not Scherzer. 84 overall. This is gonna be a long. His pitcher's gonna walk. Oh, what? He lost confidence in his four-seamer. Okay, swung. Outside changeup. Okay, pop up. If he catches it. Who's in right? Oh, Desmond. Yeah, Desmond's good at fielding. King's even better. And Myers is good. Oh, I can only throw change-ups effectively. And I hate using the change-up. Okay, I'm going to throw one more change-up to this guy. Okay, now I'm going to throw him high and away fastball. It's going to be a ball, though. Oh, wow. Let's go, Will. Okay, for a second, and he did not go. Trevor Rosenthal's gonna go about 2 innings. Oh crap, that's a hit. Okay. Oh, why did I throw to third? I threw to third. I could have got him at second. Oh, that was a bad decision. Low changeup. Come on, Rosenthal. Please. Thank you. Alright, guys, now we're batting. Back to the top of the order. None. Oh, wait. No. He's too slow. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's lay off this pitch. It was a bad one to hit and play. $97. Really hard to pick up. Oh, whoa, was I late on that? That was good timing on that, it said. Oh, I was not late on that. This guy is not making contact. Good timing. Oh, why am I so early? I only like to get fastballs. Okay. Oh, why did I swing at that? That high fastball always gets me. Oh, why do I keep doing that? I'm so early on off speed. Okay, well unless he makes an error, he's out. Throw it! Oh my god, 8 speed mistakes on that play. Wow. Okay, 1-1 count. Curveball, down and away. Gonna be a ball, I think. Yeah. I'm not gonna throw any changes because I want him to gain confidence in his other pitches. So low. There we go. That was right where I needed it to be. So now we're gonna throw the change up. Actually, please swing. Please swing. Oh, he's not. That bounced in front of the plate. There we go. Okay, straight. Oh, he's gaining confidence in his fastball. Plus, I don't need that curveball. Fastball. Oh, crap. Bad idea. Okay, please, Desmond. Change up. Oh, he swung. That's the first ball he's chased. All game. There we go. Please, Ramos. And I've got it, and you're out. Okay. There we go, guys. Oh. Please go. Please go, ball. Go, ball. No, he's got it. Oh. If Kane was facing a lefty, that would have been a home run. Oh. The stupid slider. Drop. Dive. Oh. Yes. Potential. I'm going home. Maybe. Home. Oh, is that an inside the park home run? Oh, it's an E. I don't care. Okay. Whoa, that was close.
2-0 now. Just one hit apiece for both of these clubs.
Ah,
Swing and a miss on a
I
pitch.
shouldn't have swung.
2-1.
This guy throws a lot of fastballs. Oh my god, I'm so late on it. I need like a 93 or 94 fastball.
And the slider misses here, so he runs the count full 3-2.
Come on, Myers. Oh, I'm so early. Late on the fastball, early on the changeup.
Here with 2 gone. Standing in now, but this one is hitting first baseman Brandon Belt. And they go right after him on the inside corner for strike 1.
Oh, that would have been, no, not gone, but he would have gotten a pretty good piece of it. Okay, come on, lefty. Okay. Please, 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 Belt. Please, please, go, go, go. Yeah, gone, guys, gone. A home run.
Solo home run here for Brandon Belt, as we are all knotted up at 2. In there, he's ahead 0-2 now.
Okay. Let's throw, guys. Oh, so close. Sorry, guys, I haven't been commentating very much. Oh, right to the third baseman. So I'll start commentating more. Ah, hit home run.
Number 44 will dig in quick hitter batting left.
Okay. One more inning of Trevor Rosenthal. I want to save. I don't want to waste all my bullpen. Whenever that one guy's pitching, I always put in my bullpen because he sucks in this game. He's probably good in real life. You have to do something right to get an 82 overall.
Way outside. 1-2.
Oh god, he's losing energy. Maybe after this batter. Oh god, yeah. After this batter, he's out of energy. So after this batter, Rosenthal's done.
3-2.
Okay, he threw another ball. Oh god. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna put in a new guy to pitch. I'll try just warming up.
We'll get the call here as he'll hit to the pitcher.
Oh, he's stealing. Oh, why didn't you throw it? He would have been way out. Oh. That steal did not matter. Good job on my guy. Okay. Is it back to the pitcher? Okay. Come on. Let's throw that slider right there. Oh god. Oh my god. Why does my pitcher keep doing this? All they do is throw balls. By the way, guys, this Rex Brothers is flashback from, I think, 2013 Rex Brothers. I like it because he's an effective lefty with 4 different pitches.
2 balls and 2 strikes now.
Oh my god, this guy. Oh, this guy's eye is so good. It's not a home run. Can you catch it? Please. Ah. No! Oh my god. All he does is throw balls. How are you already getting tired? Now all I can throw is a 2-seamer because it's the only thing he has confidence in. Oh my god. Okay. Holy, this guy. Yes, he's out. Thank you. 2 outs. Okay. Thank you. Oh my god, that's oh he does. Thank you. Slider away. This is gonna be bad. Oh, this is a run. Throw it! Oh god. He is good. Whoa. Okay, guys, so now we're hitting. And yeah, he got a run. Okay, I'm taking out Rick's brothers. I'm gonna warm someone else up in the bullpen. I'm taking out Rex brothers. Okay, we're gonna warm up Ryan Presley. We're gonna put in use Jackie Bradley Jr.
Jackie Bradley Jr. will grab a bat next to the pitcher here.
Okay, we need to find a way to get on base with Jr. Whoa.
It's 1-0. Swing and a liner. Foul. Pitcher misses that time at 2-1.
Ah, I knew he popped that up when I saw that. Just missed it.
And the pinch hitter is retired here, 1 away.
Hey, Bogarts.
Will dig in for the 3rd time now. Struck out and bounced down in his first 2 trips. Check swing.
There you go.
Held up in time.
Swing.
Now a ball flat hard the opposite
Ah, so close. Oh, come on, man. He did not make the old one. When he's cold, he's cold. Okay. Ryan Presley is going to stay in for
Ryan Presley.
the 5th, the 6th, and hopefully the 7th.
Keep him in the game here. This pitch to the end is a fly ball after straightaway left. There to take it is Myers, and then it's the 1st down. Chris Davis.
Alright, guys. Chris Davis. Sweeping curveball. Oh, God. How did that go inside? Slider. Oh, perfect pitch.
In time to
There
break
you
the
go.
number 2 away.
Okay, this pitcher could last a couple innings. I'm hoping he can.
Checked in now. Bounced out and flown out.
Oh, come on.
Fastball here. We'll take a look at ball 1. 1-0.
Oh, my God.
Wide 2-0. Fifth inning play here in a 3-2 ball game. Now here's the ball hit hard on the ground.
That should be 3 outs, yes.
First will get him easily.
Can't overthrow the 6'5" Brandon Belt. You could, but it's hard. Let's take our first pitch. Oh, I should have hit that. Tulowitzki could hit up easy home run. Oh, why am I saying? Okay.
And one offer at that. Too high. 1-2. Here it comes. Rush him out. His voice continues. That's his first.
How do I always strike out Tulowitzki?
And now we'll try to bunt for a base hit here as he gets this one
That's
down.
safe.
And the throw is late.
Okay, I think I'm gonna steal.
He and Desmond will stand in here. 0 for 2 with a running score so far.
He's safe.
Right, the throw. Far too late. He is second with ease. From the duck to pitch. And that's in there as well. 0-2 now. On the ground to third. Throw on to Gonzalez, and that's out number 2. Will Myers will stand in now. He singled and struck out in 2 trips. Down and in here, 1 ball, no strikes. 3-2's our score here in inning number 6. Oh, not a change to the bubblegum part there. 1-1. Swinging a hard hit ball towards the hole.
I'm going home.
Play at the plate. And he is in there.
Safe.
Brandon Belt steps in, working on the 1-for-2 game so far. Start him out with a slider, sweet spot, but he doesn't get the ball. 1-0. And when as he pulls this one into right, that's in there, base hit.
Ah.
I'm out of the plate. Keep our ball game tied up as the inning is over.
Yeah. At least he can stay in this inning. Oh God, no!
Number 24 is in now. He wanted to catch the ball on. 2-0.
Please, please. Yes. He swung at it. That was a ball. I mean, a strike to me. Two super. Down and away. No, no. Oh. Why did this guy lay off everything? These steals.
On attempt misses. The throw down. It's there, and he's out trying to take second. 1 out, nobody on. The 0-1 is thrown off. Straight away, 17. Kane is there.
I thought it was 3 outs the way he looked at the baseball. Please. Oh, he swung. He did the same foul ball again. Way outside. Oh, good pitch. Okay. The catcher, I believe. Yeah. Wilson Ramos, and then the pitcher. I'll leave the pitcher in. We need to save our pitchers. Ah, could have been a home run. If I got... Oh! Go, go, go! Oh, it's the way he talked about it, it's not gonna go. I really look like a fool in my book. Okay, but yeah, we'll keep him in. Okay, if I'm hitting. So hard to hit with pitchers. Oh, why is it so hard to hit with them?
Swinging a ball hit softly on the ground. Throw on to first, 2 down. Andrew Bogart will stand in. They've done a good job keeping him off base at the top of the lineup.
Yes, let's go! Bogart. Okay. Oh, if that was fair, he would have scored. Safe? Oh, he threw to third because he thought he was stealing. It wasn't a pitch out, but he threw to third. Oh, why did I swing? Yeah, it's okay. Oh! No! Okay, one more inning, Ryan Presley. Maybe another. Come on, come on. Perfect pitch release. Come on, arm strength, yes.
Another chance out there at shortstop. Go to first and Cano's is ground out. 2 gone. Adrian Gonzalez standing now. 0 for 2 with a hit by pitch. And his power in a fastball that time at 94 for strike 1. Plate, 1 ball, 1 strike.
High and inside. Oh god, that was high.
2 and 1. 2 out, nobody in.
Perfect slider. Oh god, why does he keep throwing it high?
3 and 1.
Okay, guys. No, 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 no. Why does he keep walking people? Okay, this is his last inning. Yeah, definitely. If he tries for third with 8 speed, I would laugh. Okay. Wait, no, what am I doing? I'm letting him finish the inning. Please, get it! Get it, boy, get it. There you go. Okay, we're out of the inning, guys, and Presley pitched a gem. Okay, Tulowitzki has struck out every time. Oh my god, I wasn't even looking. Why do I keep swinging at him? It's his batting stance messes me up. Oh, why do I keep hitting those fouls? Gonna strike out. No! Oh my god, why do I keep striking out with him? I think he hits with everyone else. Okay. Thank you! Over the monster! Ah, not over.
Solo shot here to left, and that'll pull him even at 4 apiece.
Okay, guys. Out. Okay, new pitcher. Oh crap! It's Axford. I don't want him. He has no energy. He's tired already. Oh, this is not gonna work. Oh my god! Stupid. Oh, man. That's just a waste of pitcher. I'm not wasting my best pitcher's energy. I use my worst one. I use my best one in the ninth inning. My two favorites. Two runs. Throw it already. This guy won. It's not on the mercy of the He's defeating 10 runs. Dude, this is annoying. I hate it. Just as bad pitching in the real life. All I do is run balls. Oh, what was on the one out? Second best pitcher.
Is there and he puts it away to stop the bleeding.
Leaves the position player in. He throws so slow that I can't hit it though. Oh my god, it's so slow. You can't hit it. It's so slow. Oh, God. Okay.
No one will get this.
Oh my god, it's slow. So now it's a right-handed batter, and I hate using righties. I did not see the ball. The red team is my daddy. This is not worth it. We're not gonna win. Please, he's gonna hit. Stupid. I hate using when people use possession players. They're such cheats because they go so slow. Position players, pitching is just a cheat code. No, I'm not using Deer in a Bay. He is not hitting. Bunting. He's safe. Not close. And you're stealing. And you're safe. And you're safe. Oh, he's so slow. Oh my god, it's slow. Oh, he's just gonna throw stupid change-ups. He's doing this on purpose. Oh, I hate this guy. Alright guys, so this guy won, and his closer was a position player. Oh, I hate John Axford pitching, guys. So, let's see if we have enough stubs to just quickly open a pack like I promised. And we do. Okay, whoever we get, I don't care. Yeah. Oh, we got Alexa Ramirez. Okay, we can sell him. Let's open packs. We're not gonna get anything, but I'm just doing this for entertainment. So, let's just do this. Get ready for nothing. Oh my god, we got a gold. We just got a gold. Let's go. Corey Seager! Oh, yes. Holy crap, guys. He goes for like 8K. Now, do we use him? Oh, this is a tough decision. I mean, I like the stubs he goes for. I want to keep 2 though, but I don't know about Bogarts. Alright guys, thanks for watching and bye.